Hey there, music nerds. If you're watching this video, you're probably enrolled in a Cedar Bridge Academy music course, such as Music and Society, String Ensemble, GCSE Music or Music 1 and 2, Music Technology, or Keyboard. Today's video is going to look at using PracticeFirst for private practice and assignments. www.cedarbridgeacademy.musicfirstclassroom.co.uk and log in. Your login is going to be your Cedar Bridge Academy email address at cedarbridge.net, and your password should have been emailed to you. Just like Google Classroom, any classes that you're enrolled in will appear on your landing page. Of course, these are only music courses, so you will only see String Ensemble, Music 1 and 2, Keyboard, Music and Society, or Music Technology. Let's have a look at what happens when you want to open an assignment. When you go into your class, you will see a list of your assignments underneath the class overview. Click on the assignment that you wish to complete, and then click the green box that says Open in PracticeFirst. Once inside the assignment, you can choose your instrument on the right-hand side. As you all know, I'm a violinist, so I'm going to choose Violin 1. Come over to the left-hand side. You can choose a tempo. I'm going to slow this down just a little bit. You can decide whether you want to listen to the demo audio or practice along to the demo audio. Just select demo audio and select play. You can choose to play along to the backing track, which is all of the instruments in the drop-down menu playing together. You can also choose whether or not you want to play along to just the metronome. Similarly, if you go to backing, you can choose to follow me. And follow me means that the cursor will only move when you're playing. Or you can remove the cursor. When you click on details, you'll see what parameters I have set for a successful submission. So you would want to have 90% before you can submit your score, and you will want to make sure that you're playing it at the tempo that has been set. So you saw that I slowed it down just now. That's ideal for practicing, but when it's time to submit, I want to submit a practice that's at the correct tempo. Also in details, you have a tuner. I highly recommend coming to the tuner before you start playing, and you can also set your mouse to scroll along as opposed to reading line by line by selecting scrolling versus pages. So an ideal practice session, you would open up the assignment, you come to the beginning, you'd hit tracks, demo audio, and play the song from the beginning so you understand how it goes. Once you've done that, you want to possibly put the metronome on or play along to the demo audio. Once you feel like you know what you're doing, you're going to hit record and play along to the score that's on the screen. You will get your best score when you play along with the backing track. There will be times when you want to open up PracticeFirst to work on a personal project. Maybe there is a piece of music that you saw in the library that interested you, or perhaps there's something that you're working on for class that you know you're not quite ready to record yet, but you just want to practice. In those instances, go up to the software button next to the home button and select Practice First. In here, you'll see every piece of music that's available to you to practice using Practice First. Feel free to use the filters on the left and to mark some of them as favorites. Some students in our class will be using the O for Strings book 1, while others will be using the blue O for Strings book 2. You can select any of these pieces and your instrument and practice along the same way you would for an assignment. The only difference is that your finished recording will not be submitted to me. It is private to you. Happy practicing! Be sure to check out the other videos about the software applications available in Music First, including Practice First, Note Flight, and Soundtrap.